I just launched a free training series to help you learn every day from billionaires. It's 30 days. It's called the Billionaire Mindset, and the link to join is in the description below. So to celebrate, please enjoy this video from Elon Musk from our vault.
Really, the way to sell any product is through word of mouth.
Making a product that people love starts with you making something that you love.
I mean, I think marketing is the most important thing. And this is not just business entrepreneurial. This is every area of your life.
Rise and shine, it's espresso time.
I wake up every morning. Espresso keep me going. I wake up every morning.
So let's start your day off right together. Grab your coffee and sip on today's message from Elon Musk. Also, if you want to learn how to build your confidence, check out my 254 Confidence series. It's free. The link is in the description below.
There are just times when something is important enough, you believe in it enough that you do it in spite of the fear.
How, aside from making great products, how do you get people excited about Tesla? There's a lot of people I know and that I talk to who are just intrigued and interested and excited about Tesla as a company.
The thing I really focus on at Tesla is like really put all of our money into and attention into trying to make the product as compelling as possible. So, because I think that really the way to sell any product is through word of mouth. So if somebody gets the car, they really like it, and actually the key is like to have a product that people will love. And generally people, if they're at a party or talking to friends or whatever, you'll talk about the things that you love. But if you just like something, it's okay. You're not going to care that much. But if you
get
love
the reactions from the highs and the lows,
yeah,
so you got to make sure people really love it.
You're gonna talk, and then that'll generate word of mouth, and that's basically how our sales have grown. Like we don't spend any money on advertising or endorsements or so anyone like buys our car, they just bought it because they like the car, and it's genuine.
Making a product that people love starts with you making something that you love. Really, think about it. Would you buy from you? Would you subscribe to you? Would you comment and tell your friends about you? In our rush to get rich, to make money, we push products out that we don't love, and if you don't love them, people around you won't love them either. So look at my YouTube channel as an example. I love my YouTube channel. I make my YouTube channel for myself. I learn. It's selfish. It's for me. The top 10 rules videos, the espresso videos, the content that I bring together, I need it. It's my education. I love my channel. I would share my channel with other people. If I saw my channel and I wasn't creating, it'd be the first thing that I subscribe to. It would be much watched YouTube for me. I need it. And if you guys didn't like it, I would still create it for myself. It wouldn't have as much editing and fancy effects and all that stuff, but I would still do it because I need it for me. I make it for myself selfishly, and then I share it with you guys, and thankfully you guys like it enough that I can turn a business from it and continue to hire a team and create more content and pump more stuff out. But as much as I think that my channel still needs to get better and grow and improve, and I still suck and I need to continuously get better at the work that I do, I think my channel deserves a Nobel Peace Prize. Like, I think my channel is amazing. And you have to love what you do. You have to feel like the thing that you're doing, yes, can always get better, but is really solving a problem. Your product, your service, what you create, your expertise solves a problem. You know that it's genuinely helping people. If you don't have that belief, you're never gonna win. This is why so many people who are starting businesses, when you go and you look at hot business trends for 2019 or 2020, or how to win in network marketing and like what products I should sell, if that's how you're starting, you're gonna lose. If you're just chasing trends, you will lose. There's nothing wrong with network marketing per se. Just most of the people getting into it are just trying to make a buck, just like how most people get into entrepreneurship. You're just trying to make money. Too many people. And then you end up going broke. Because the people who love doing that thing will crush you every day of the week. Think about who you're going up against. You're going up against people in whatever industry you're in. You're going up against people who have experience, who have expertise, who have knowledge, and love the thing that they're doing. And you're gonna go in because it's a hot trend for this year and expect to win? No. Now, if you love it and you absorb it and it's for you, and it's must have, you will pour so much energy, so much love, so much creativity, and find a path that nobody else has seen before. That's how you ultimately win. That's how you can then start talking about it, start promoting it, start building exposure, getting word of mouth. If you want people to talk about you, you have to create something that is worth talking about, and there's no way that you create it unless you absolutely love the thing that you're doing. So you have to create a product or service that you would use yourself. You have to create a channel that you would subscribe to yourself. You have to feel confident that if your mom was suffering with a problem that your business could solve, that you would recommend it 100% to your mom. If my mom was struggling with entrepreneurship, you need to subscribe to my channel. It will help you. It will save you. If you can't be like that yet, go back, make it better, until you find something that you absolutely love and pour your energy into. So I'm gonna give you a 3-step process that you can follow to help you evaluate where you're at and how you can get better. Step number 1, get out of your space. Wherever you're at right now, wherever you're working, you're in front of your computer, you're at your office, you're at your home, your basement, whatever, wherever you normally work, wherever you are right now, get out of your space. Just get out of your typical space. Go outside for a walk, go down to the lobby, cross the street, whatever. Get outside your typical space. Okay? Step number 2, now that you're in a different space, think about your customers. Think about who you are helping. Think about the problem that you solve. So if it's me, I can go for a walk outside. I'm thinking about entrepreneurs. I'm getting out of my space. It's too easy to get locked into what I'm doing, right? I gotta make 20 videos today. I gotta respond to comments. I gotta connect with my team. All the stuff adds up, and we forget about our customers. So I go outside and think about entrepreneurs. And I try to picture the people that I've helped, the people who've come to my workshops, the people who ask me questions, the people who join me on lives, right? Close your eyes, you're in a new space now, and you think about your customers. Think about the people who you help, the people that you are designing your products and services for. Think about them, picture them. Try to picture somebody, right? Picture an individual that you know that you are trying to help. Picture that person in your mind. And if you don't have a customer yet, think about the ideal customers that you're trying to target and try to come up with a face, somebody that you can look at. And in step number 3, go back to where you were. Go back to your office, your computer, wherever you were, with that person in mind, and then evaluate your products. With that person in mind, look at your YouTube videos, look at your products, look at your services, look at your Instagram feed, whatever you're trying to get out there, look at your books, look at your books. Whatever you're trying to promote, look at them with that person in mind now. You've stepped outside your day-to-day. You're above. You're not in the muck of doing all the work. I know you've got tons of stuff to do. You're an entrepreneur. I feel you. You've stepped outside, you've imagined that person, you're coming back and looking at your products and services with fresh eyes, with them in mind. Do they actually need it? Will this change their life? Will this solve their problems? And if not, go make it better. Now I've got a really special bonus clip that I think you're gonna enjoy. But before that, question of the day, I wanna know, what is one major improvement that you need to make to your products or services that will make your customers love it so much that they want to talk about it to their friends? Let me know what that change is. Put it in the comments below.
Prior to that, I was a dead broke carpet cleaner, living off credit cards, working hard, struggling, doing a good job, operating with integrity, really cared, but there's no relationship between being good and getting paid. Right. And so until you actually learn how to sell what it is that you're off, whatever it is, service business, internet business, being an author, speaker, doctor, it doesn't matter. You're in the marketing business, and in the marketing business, you're in really the relationship business. Yeah. How you can either be a transaction marketer, or you can be a relationship marketer. And there's always, as you know, there's always more money in relationships. And I grew up incredibly shy, incredibly introverted, so I'm kind of like a introvert that learned how to talk to people, because if you don't, nothing happens. Right. I mean, I think marketing is the most important thing. Just like hold your breath for 3 minutes and see how well you do. Hold it for 5 minutes, hold it for 10 minutes. You can't, you'll die. Marketing is like that for business. If people's businesses are struggling, if their missions, and this is not just business entrepreneur, this is every area of your life. I mean, if you have a partner, you did some sort of marketing. There's something you did to meet the person, position yourself. So to answer the question, selling is what you do when you're on the phone or face-to-face with somebody. Marketing is what you do to get someone on the phone or face-to-face with you so that they're properly positioned. So the word positioning is really critical. So by the time that they actually talk with you or visit your store or go to your website or see you speak, they're pre-interested, pre-motivated, pre-qualified, and predisposed to do business with you. And I've said that a million times. And I drilled that into my head. It's all about, pre-interested, pre-motivated, pre-qualified, predisposed. And if people are set up that way, the whole job of selling is much easier. Frankly, if you have to rely on talking someone into something, then you just aren't doing any marketing.
If you want to get the billionaire mindset, you can join my free training where every day for the next 30 days, I will send you an amazing video so you can start hanging out with billionaires. The link to sign up is right there next to me. Go click it. It's amazing. I'll see you there.